In this video, we'll show you what to do if the circle to search feature is not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first head to the settings app. Now scroll down and then tap on display. Now here you will need to scroll down again and then tap on navigation bar. Here make sure that the circle to search feature is enabled. Now go back to the main settings page, scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here you will need to select choose default apps. Now here select digital assistant app. Now make sure this app is set to Google and you have enabled both these options, that is analyze on-screen text and analyze on-screen images. Once you have done this, try using circle to search again. If it still doesn't work, tap on the search option and then look for Google app. Now select it. Now here tap the force stop option and then select OK. Now scroll down and then tap on storage. Now here tap the clear cache option, tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Once you have done this, simply tap this three dot icon in the top right corner and then select uninstall updates. Now select OK to confirm. Once you have done this, simply tap on this app details in store. This will open the Google app on the Play Store. Now simply update the app from here and the circle to search feature should work as expected. Note that the circle to search feature doesn't work inside secure folder by default, but there is a workaround. So once you are on the screen where you want to use circle to search inside secure folder, simply open the recent apps menu. Now long press on the navigation bar and then use circle to search. So this is a workaround that seems to work inside secure folder. Otherwise there's no way to enable circle to search inside secure folder itself. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.